Volkswagen clearly prioritized comfort with the 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan, and great efforts to have paid dividends. Padding for the front seats is thin, but above norm, and the backside seats boast exceptional legroom. Cargo space in two Tiguans is much improved, a shortcoming of the old-fashioned version, and its ride is outstanding. The Tiguan gives an 8 out of 10 on our comfort scale, with an important tone. The third largest row isn't very useful at all. The brand new Tiguan excels at showing off where it wants you to see, and concealing the places you don't. Base Tiguan S prototypes are shod in a durable cloth that's respectable, but also highlights the low-spirited entry, or teaser, rate. Stepping up to the same model contributes a convincing synthetic leather that attacks better, and an 8.0-inch touchscreen that better confuses from some hard, pitch-black plastics around the cabin. The seats are supportive and firm, all-day comfortable with spate of legroom. Rear fares may get the best seats in the members of this house, with ample legroom for the tallest leg, and a sliding rear seat that offers supreme flexibility. Two adults will find ample room in the back, but like the last Tiguan, shoulder room may impede three adults from going in back for long. A third row that's standard on front-wheel drive prototypes but optional on all-wheel drive versions should be carefully considered before opting in. It's not appropriate for adults, sits two and severely impedes usable shipment room in the Tiguan. Put plainly, it's an occasional bench at best. In back, the Tiguan boasts 37.6 cubic hooves of shipment room, which a dual cubes down on the Honda CR-V, but VW's wide opening and low loading stature make it very accessible.